So hello and welcome back to another video, and today I've got another unboxing video. Yeah, let's get straight into it. So this is, as you can see, from United Bricks, and straight into it. There's only going to be a couple big unboxing, but I still thought I'd just share this with you. So yeah, so this is basically what I got. Stand up. Yeah, so that's what I get. I'll go into that in a minute. But yes, so this is what I got basically. So I've got my mini fig. Just using this one for the moment. So I got a dead, I want focus, a dead printed head, right, that will focus. So yeah, dead printed head, I think it's number 7. Then I got a Brick Arms Modern Combat helmet. So yeah, in dark tan. This is going to be something for my Modern Combat mock. I will be doing hopefully quite soon, and this is the L85A1, I think it is, which is basically just a British kind of assault rifle, and yeah, so that will be used as well for my Modern Combat mock that I will be doing. And I got, this is actually really nice, a white M60. So it hasn't got the ammo can or anything like that, but it doesn't really matter. Still really cool, really nice to have. But this is like the main kind of reason why I bought what I got, and it is the WW2 British Commando minifig. So yeah, printed in the UK, as are basically all their stuff. Yeah. Yeah, so there's like the card for it as well. This is the fig itself, really nice, a lot of detail. If it will focus, I don't think it will. I don't think it would. But yeah, so it's got underarm printing. Printed, basically 360 printed, and yeah, so leg printing as well, back printing, it's got the head print as well, and of course the combat brick beret as well. So yeah, that's really nice, really happy. So yeah, if you did enjoy this, then please leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, then please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.